If you are wondering how long does the battery last on OnePlus 15R, then let me quickly answer the question for you. So of course, the time that we can get out of a single charge on OnePlus 15R depends on what you do with your phone. But essentially, the average time that we can get out of a single charge on a typical daily basis, we should be able to get approximately 21 hours and 30 minutes. Of course, this includes a little bit of calling, some internet browsing, watching a lot of videos, and playing some games. All of this, of course, can result in approximately 21 and a half hours of the battery usage. Now, if you just use that battery whole 100% on calling and just for calling, then you should be able to get even 45 hours or almost 45 hours. In the case of web browsing, it's going to be 20 hours. In the case of videos, so if you just watch videos on your phone, then you should be able to get 31 and a half hours. And for gaming, it's going to be approximately more or less 11 hours and 30 minutes. This time, of course, also depends on types of games that you play. So, besides that, of course, things that you have enabled on your phone also matter. For example, if you use NFC and location and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, if you keep them all enabled all the time, if you have certain options enabled like the dark mode, automatic screen brightness, higher refresh rate, and so on and so forth, all of these things also have an impact on the battery. But if we consider a typical day-to-day use of the phone, then as I mentioned, it's going to be like 21 hours and 30 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I can recommend you checking out the gsmarena.com website, where you can actually adjust the usage of the phone, and you can, for example, completely remove the playtime of games, so you can actually find out how much more time you can get out of the battery if you don't play games at all, and so on and so forth. So you can adjust that slider. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.